Hello everybody. This is a hydraulic lifter. It is dirty and needing to be recleaned and rebuilt. This is me rebuilding a hydraulic lifter. It has this clip that keeps the whole thing together.
You gotta get it out. This little U-shaped clip.
See? And there's this top plate that you just kind of have to pull out. And there's this plate with holes. And there's this inner body. There.
That's some really syrupy looking oil. But, yep.
That's the main body. We do have a little bit more disassembly here.
So this inner lifter body.
You got a spring.
Yeah, this guy. Kind of compressed on there. You have to get a little poker type thing.
Then this inner lifter body.
It's hollow also. Well, this thing is disassembled now. But part of that lower little kit there.
It's a little plate, weird little cup. You see that? That's like the babiest little spring in the entire Jeep.
I'm gonna be a few minutes cleaning it, so I'm gonna put it in super fast forward mode. Got the lifter clean, got our surface clean. I use the most fine steel wool I can find to clean these things with, so it works fine enough. But here's some oil, so put a little bit of oil right there because we will be using it to rebuild the lifter. So you just coat everything essentially with oil.
Just roll it around in the oil. Now the oil gets, I guess, kind of pumped through these things.
And then it gets pushed up into the valve body on the rockers, and it keeps the rocker assembly nice and lubricated. Because, that's pumping real hard when the engine's moving. Anyways, we just start with the inner lifter body here. You get the little cup, and you set the baby spring inside there. It's the littlest spring you've ever seen. Then you put the little plate on top, lifter body, on it right there, and you press it on.
That fits on there real nice.
And then the spring fits onto it, the bigger spring. So.
Now I put a little bit of oil inside the
lifter body there, and I let the oil kind of get all around there. Then you put the inner body in the main body, and it just kind of fits inside there.
You put this little cap here
on top there. And then we're going to fill that with oil. And you put this cap, and it has a hole.
Now that little hole right there, you can see it in the middle, that aligns with the push rod. So the push rod is empty, and with a hole on the top and the bottom, and it sends oil up out and into your
valve assembly up on top of the head.
So then you get your little clip that we took off that holds everything together.
Push down on this. There. So you see it's kind of stuck in there. Pokey tool and get the rest of it in there. So that's how you rebuild a lifter. Now this thing is ready for installation back into the engine. Well, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day today. I hope you have a great weekend. It's Friday, so that's nice, right? It's nice for me.